A recent study from the University of Melbourne, published in Nature Medicine, reveals that feminizing gender-affirming hormone therapy, or GHT, affects not only outward physical traits but also deep biological markers in transgender women. For decades, we have known that GHT helps redistribute body fat, reduce facial and body hair, and promote breast development. However, this new research shows that the impact of hormone therapy goes down to the level of proteins circulating in the blood, an area long under-researched due to the historical neglect of transgender health in medical science. The study examined 40 transgender women, dividing them into two groups, one receiving estrogen with the anti-androgen cyproterone acetate, CPA, and the other receiving estrogen with spironolactone. Blood samples taken before treatment and after 6 months revealed changes in thousands of proteins, with 245 altered in the CPA group and 91 in the spiral group. Importantly, most of these protein changes trended towards levels typically found in cisgender women, indicating that GHT aligns internal biological systems with a person's gender identity. Researchers linked these changes to reduced testosterone levels, increased body fat percentage, and breast volume. They also compared the results with large-scale data from the UK Biobank and found that several proteins known to differ between cisgender men and women also shifted significantly in transgender women undergoing GHT. This shows how hormone therapy alters deep systemic processes beyond visible transformation. However, the findings also raise concerns about potential long-term health risks. The altered protein patterns suggest possible increased susceptibility to allergic asthma and autoimmune disorders in transgender women, though experts stress that these risks are not clinically confirmed. No significant rise in autoimmune diseases has yet been observed in medical practice, likely because such conditions take years to develop and depend on multiple genetic and environmental factors. Interestingly, only the CPAPA-based therapy showed protein changes linked to lower atherosclerosis risk, meaning a potentially reduced risk of arterial fat buildup. Experts believe the most important takeaway is the urgent need for more inclusive, long-term medical research, especially in countries like India, where access to hormone therapy is uneven and clinical monitoring is limited. High-quality evidence can help clinicians provide safer, data-driven care to transgender individuals. For UPSC aspirants, this study highlights critical themes: inclusive healthcare, evidence-based policymaking, and the importance of addressing structural gaps in public health research.